Hi, boys and girls. Mrs. Freeland here. Hope you're doing great. So we're going to take the next step to make our letter that much stronger. So we have added um, transition words. We've been working to make sure that we have show moments, not just tell moments. Here's something else we're going to work on. We're going to add more than one solution. So here I see that in the Dear Melanie letter about the recess time bullying, she had more than one solution. So she says, here's how we can solve the problem. And she used a number there. She used 1. Here's the first way. I could see just talking to kids and have kids come up to these and tell them the problem so that they could keep a closer eye on kids. Number 2, here's having more lunch aids. Then we would have more grown-ups following problems. And then the final way is having a no bullying week. So this author really thought of 3 solutions to her problem. I'm going to show you another letter now that another student wrote. And they gave 1 solution. So it says, Dear Mrs. Talish, it's loud when your class is excited. We cannot work when Miss Catherine is talking to. Maybe when your class is excited, they can do a silent cheer. Sincerely, Graham, I am your neighbor. So he gave 1 solution. 1 solution is a silent cheer. So I think there's another class next to his that's too loud. So maybe he could think of 2 more solutions he could add to that letter. So I'm going to think of a couple solutions I could add to my letter for the principal on how to get money for the playground. So here's where I talked about we could ask parents to do a bake sale. As a solution, we could ask parents to do a bake sale. I'm going to use a transition word that says also. What if we did a pop can drive? Can do a pop can drive and use the money for the playground. Okay, and then I'm going to use another transition word. I'm going to say a third thing. We can do. Our school does a walkathon that raises money, so we can have a second walkathon. Is a walkathon where kids get pledges and then the money goes to the school. All right. So boys and girls, all I did was go to the spot where my reasons were, and I tried to add a couple more solutions to my ideas of the solutions. So that wasn't just 1 solution like this one on the screen. It was like the Dear Melanie letter that had 3 solutions. So here's your challenge today. Think of other ways that you could solve the problem in your letter that you're suggesting to the person, and think of at least 2 more. So have at least 3 solutions, possible solutions to the problem. And if you're stuck on that, ask the grown-up that's around you if they have some ideas for a solution, because sometimes some problems are really hard to come up with solutions to. So think of other ways that you could solve your problem, and that's going to make your letter stronger because it's going to make the reader go, oh, I could do this, or I could do that, or there's other ways I could solve the problem. So that makes your reader open to more ideas. All right, good luck today, boys and girls.